Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to everyone. First and foremost, I would like to welcome everyone to the cozy launch of Global Citizenship Education Project at Delima. This cozy launch is important for the Ministry of Education to set the stage for everyone to share creative and innovative ideas to realize the transformative vision and values of GSED. Children today live in an interconnected and pluralistic society. Digital pervasiveness, environmental forces, and demographic changes are shaping our children's lives. This complex environment is challenging, but at the same time also provides opportunities for all of us to review our existing practices. It is therefore important for our children today to learn to participate in a more interconnected world and at the same time celebrate and appreciate cultural differences so that they become more understanding and empathetic to the various needs of society. Against this backdrop of an increasingly globalized and interconnected world, and amidst the calls for education to promote peace, well-being, prosperity, and sustainability, interest in promoting global citizenship education or GSED has been growing and has become a key education target for all countries. Global citizenship is a 21st century approach to living to address global challenges based on the principles of global responsibility and accountability applied in everyday local actions and contexts. Thus, global citizenship education is about equipping learners with the appropriate skills to live together in this interconnected and dynamic world of the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, following the launch of the project by UNESCO Bangkok on preparing teachers for global citizenship education aimed to facilitate educators to embed GSED into the curriculum, Malaysia had taken the initiative to carry out a pilot project on global citizenship education. This pilot project is a collaborative effort between the Ministry of Education and UNICEF in partnership with Arus Education, where we developed lesson plans that embedded elements of GSED in 4 subjects: mathematics, science, geography, and history. These lessons are available online in the Delima portal. I would like to encourage teachers to take advantage of the lesson plans available. The lessons have been piloted and revised, and they are aligned with the Secondary School Standard Curriculum KSSM with additional values, where learning topics and objectives of global citizenship are embedded in these lessons. What is more interesting, the lessons are carried out through project-based approaches to engage students on global issues and to provide students the opportunity to reflect upon and react to these issues. But most importantly, the lessons will allow students to connect the dots between what they learn in the classroom with issues and challenges within the local and global context. Global citizenship education has been frequently presented as a pedagogical answer to respond to the challenges of globalization. GSED is not a subject, it is a movement intended to be transformative, which requires the school to provide the support to create the environment and experiences to critically examine global challenges and at the same time appreciate the diversities in this globalized society. Therefore, the role of teachers is very important so that attributes of learners with values, soft skills, and attitudes for social transformation are effectively translated into the teaching and learning processes. For today's launch, we have invited teachers who have been part of this movement to provide their experiences in embedding GSED in their teaching and learning. It is my hope that these teachers will be able to convince you that GSED elements in the teaching and learning process will allow students to shape their thoughts to be responsible towards sustainability and collective well-being. In fact, your lessons will become more interesting and meaningful as you will witness for yourself in the videos we have prepared for you. Ladies and gentlemen, history has shown us that human beings have always formed communities based on shared identity. This shared identity has been forged to respond to economic, social, and political needs. The forces of globalization have made GSET more relevant to prepare our children to be part of the emerging world community so that the world will become sustainable, peaceful, and safe. I wish all of you an engaging discussion. Thank you.